Family of 4 members. We went there. We took our kids also, and it was a very pleasant experience. We generally think that going to Badrinath, Kedarnath, or Chardham Yatra, this is very difficult earlier days, but nowadays I think the services provided by the companies like Supper, air holiday services and all, it has become much easier and much approachable. Regarding this particular company, I wanted to say one thing. The kind of assurance they gave, the kind of their readiness to crisis management is very nice. And I personally feel that the way the choppers were arranged, the ground staff, particularly, they're very hardworking, helpful, courteous. At the same time, they're very quick in their work, very efficient also. And the way the things are arranged, the way they managed with the different patterns and different questions, I think they have all the answers for our queries and all the solutions for the problems which may arise during this yatra, because these kind of yatra is dependent on weather and many more circumstances, but they are ready with answers for each problem, and they're so efficient and so sure about solving the issues. They're very patient with answering all the queries of the passengers, and the information which they share is really useful. They give a very clear picture before we start, and even after coming back also, taking the feedback, and anywhere if any problem arises, the way they took care of us is really appreciable. I really appreciate the services of this